Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 12th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm hoping this is the end of a bad streak. Anyway, the Dow opened up this morning. You know, you look at yesterday's chart, the way this looks at the end, if you're at all into technical analysis, and I'm not, you would have certainly thought that stocks would open lower. They didn't open lower. They did the opposite of what everybody thinks they're going to do. That is what's typical. And Dow opened up, stayed up all day, and ended up closing up 290 points. That wasn't really what we wanted to have happen because on this big sell off at the end yesterday, we got short three UVXY stocks, positions rather, in anticipation of a sell off. And when it goes the opposite way, we ended up losing about $7,000 on that trade alone. We did lose a lot of money. We were negative $6,000 on, I think, around 13 positions or something yesterday on the close, negative 6,000. When they opened this morning, they were negative 14,000. And by the time we got out, we were negative $33,000 in negative closed out trades. That is a hit, no question about it. The only reason it's keeping me from not feeling too terrible about it is the way the day ended. We did get into 5 positions, only 5 new positions, but every one of those positions was positive, and we did close the day with open trade of $11,000 positive. So I'm hoping we're going to see a turnaround here and snap out of this choppiness and negative stuff that has been plaguing us for about 6 weeks now. Okay, let's just look at some stocks. If I didn't mention, the Dow officially closed up 290 points, almost erasing the loss from yesterday. Okay, well, actually more than erasing it, but anyway, up 290 points on the Dow. Let's look at 3 stocks. First, I'll show you that short position we had on the overall market. This is UVXY, which is an inverse stock. It's going to move up basically when a Dow moves down, or any other stock indicator you're looking at. And just as the Dow was moving hard down yesterday near the close, this UVXY takes off. We buy it with 30 minutes to go, and we hold a small profit on those 3 positions on the close. But then the Dow reverses this morning by opening up, means UVX opens down, and we're stopped out here. And on those 3 positions that we had, we lost a total of $7,600. So it turned out to be not a very good edge for us, and we did lose a significant amount of money. Next here, this is GSX Tekadu, and this has been a good stock for us, but it was really horrible yesterday. We bought it on this upswing about the end of the second hour. We're buying it almost on the high tick of the day there, and then it just slumped back all day long, closed at a significant loss, and then bang, it really took us out here on near the open, and we lost just over $11,000 in GSX Tekadu. So that between just those last two stocks at like 17,000, little over about half of our total losses in closed out trades. We did, as I told you, went 5 for 5 on our new stocks, and so those are all pretty good, and I'll show you the best of them. This is Synchronos Technologies, and we bought Synchronos Technologies right out of the gate. It didn't go against us at first, but then came back pretty strong toward the end of the day, and we are holding positive $4,300 in Synchronos Technologies. So that was a good trade, along with those other 4 stocks that we got into today. 5 for 5 on what we got into. So that's looking pretty good for tomorrow. Let's hope we get a turnaround. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday.